Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be decorating my classic dashboard happy planner, and this is the one that I use for work. I'm going to be using these really pretty Spoonful of Faith stickers. And yeah, if you'd like to see what I do, keep watching. This is my work planner. I started writing this week because I really needed to, and I hadn't decorated it yet. So I don't like the purple though. I have to make sure that I write that in. I already did that. Never mind. Done. Okay. I don't like this purple because I'm having a hard time finding like stickers to match. So I'm going to go ahead and put this yellow one in. Thank you to the person, if you're watching. Gosh, I forget your name. I'm so bad with names, and I talk to like so many people on a daily basis. So I apologize, but if you're watching, thank you for sending me these extra pages. It really was a big help. I'm gonna take these off. And anyway, I'm just gonna like do this really quickly. I'm gonna be using the new Spoonful of Faith. I thought it might match the yellow. We'll see. These stickers are so cute. Oh, poor Bumble. It's raining outside. Do you hear the rain? And she's afraid of the rain. Oh, poor baby. She wants to sit in my lap. These are made for the big planner, and these are made for the mini. I'm so annoyed because I want a classic one. Ugh. I do like this though. See if I can work this in somewhere, like down here. I don't want that focus on, but let's put this down here, and then maybe I'll like butt another sticker up next to it to sort of make that look like it was on purpose. I used these in my journal last week, and they're just gorgeous, and so I wanted to use them again. And I had a really good idea for this, and now I don't remember what it is. Like, I had a real good idea, and I was going to color this bandana in another color, and like there was a reason for it, and now I forget. That's what I get for not writing it down. I throw a box in somewhere right there. I brought in some green. I'm gonna like, I don't want to do it. I could do this actually. Or is there a bigger one? I can just overlap it instead of like butting it up next to it. There's some bigger ones here. It's raining pretty hard, but the sun's coming out, so there's going to be a rainbow. No. I need like bigger boxes than this, but not like too big, if that makes sense. But I'm not going to find it. So we're just going to go with these smaller ones, I guess. How about we go with Bumble? What are you doing? We'll go with the blue. Let's do like a dark blue and gold theme. Do this, but then we're going to be stuck with that. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do something different. Break out. Do something else. I'm going to wipe these out. I always forget when I film these, I want to make a TikTok at the same time. And I forgot to do that because I was going to like do like snap or like that. You know what I mean? That didn't work. I forgot. Let's do like this blue too. I think this blue is really cool. We're going to cover this up. But I don't know if I want. Actually, let's put it here. And then, what am I going to put there though? I almost want to put a plant there for some reason. I don't have a real reason why, but I also kind of like this. Grow. There's a plant there, and there's a plant there. Let's wipe that out. And he's wandering around the house meowing. This is his ritual that he does every day. He's a wanderer. Okay, grow. I don't like how that ends there and then that starts there. That's annoying to me, but we'll just leave it and pretend it doesn't exist. Okay, okay. I almost want to bring this in. So I'm thinking I'm going to just do like green, peach, this gold, and then like the blue. I'm going to do that. I almost feel like, and it's so weird, but like I feel like when I put these stickers down in my work planner, I feel like it's wasted. I feel like it's like a wasted, oh, Bumble. Oh, baby. Oh, she's trying to get comfy. I feel like it's a wasted sticker because I'm not like really careful. Like I don't have a pretty after the pen in my work planner. And that's so silly. Like, why do I feel like that's a waste? That's so dumb. I'm going to put another, I'm going to put like a box here. I guess it's going to be a gold box or a green or something. I want just like a regular one. How about a peach? I wanted like one that wasn't solid, but I'm just going to put this down because I'm too lazy to do anything else. Okay, and I know that's not centered, but who cares? So let's get a couple of other, maybe there's some boxes in here that I can like do the headers. But again, these are going to be big and these are real tiny. Maybe the real tiny ones will work. No. I wish this was moved over because now it's like, why is it there? Do you know what I mean? But look how little those are. But once again, like, I don't really care either. I do and I don't, you know? Okay, let's write in categories. So I should move my camera so you can see Bumble more. Let me see if I can do that. You're gonna see like my lap, but we're all friends here. I don't know if that's straight. Can you see her? I don't even know what you can see. That's the thing. Okay, so here is filming. It's my filming schedule. This is Patreon. And like end of month and beginning of the month, I always have a lot to do, so this will probably get filled up. And then over here, this is the videos of the week. So let me just throw something in there. About another green or like a periwinkle one. I love this color. It's so pretty, but this is so small. Do you know what I mean? These are babies. They're for Minnie. Of course, they're going to be babies, but videos. Okay. This is kind of interesting. I never quite do it this way. This is just going to be random stuff. So this will be affiliate stuff here, sponsorships. This might be like a reminder to myself that's like one important thing for the week. And this is going to be like extra things to do. Like, because this is usually like my miscellaneous section here. And this is like my affiliate section. So, but I know that because I've been doing this for quite a while. So I'm fine with leaving it like that. Kind of want to put this down. Oh my gosh, there's pets all over the place. I also, like, I kind of do feel like I'm wasting these stickers on here. And why am I feeling that way, you guys? Do you ever feel like that? If it's like a planner that you don't post on social media or that you like don't like flip through as like enjoyment, you know what I mean? I kind of feel like that. I know it's silly. And I'll probably end up getting like another one of these sticker books. So I don't know what I'm so worried about. Bring this in maybe. And like, should I do like an orange box? Maybe just a blue. But these stickers are so cute that honestly, whatever you do with them, they're gonna look cute. It doesn't really matter what you do with them. Let's do like this. I just want like I know it's kind of like weird by itself, so I'm just gonna overlap it a little bit. Okay. I don't usually do that on this side. It's kind of different than what I normally do, isn't it? Like, I've never really done that. I don't hate it though. And hey, as long as I have room to write, it's not like crucial that I do things in a certain way on this side in this planner. Like this side I really use more than this side, but do you know what I'm saying? Like it's not the end all be all. I'm gonna use orange. This is so big though. I don't know that I can use it. I could use it here, but like that's the only place I feel like, you know, if I want to combine it with this, I could use it here because I can write small. Why don't I do that? There she is. There's my girl. Oh, that's so crooked. Bumble gets depressed when it's raining outside. At least I interpret it to be depression. I think it could just be, it makes her tired, like the sound of it or something, but she gets like real melancholy, you know? I don't know how I feel about this, you guys. We're gonna do it anyway, though. All right, well, it is what it is. I don't know if I like it or not like it. I don't hate it, so at least there's that. Let's see. I could bring in some washi tape, but I'm feeling a little lazy, so I don't think I'm going to. How about this one? This says appointment, but I can like white that out. Use that for something else, like a post or something, whatever I need. Let me white that out. I don't usually do that because the whiteout annoys me, but I really wanted gold there. So it is what it is. And it's just my work planner. All right, Bumble, I can't see, baby. I need like more boxes down here, obviously, because we're like doing the box thing now. I didn't realize we were doing it, but we are. So let's embrace it. However, I don't want to do gold down here because there's gold there, and I don't want to do blue or peach because there's blue and peach there. So I guess green, but I don't know if there's any like, this one's really pretty though. If I did that. It's real dark, but I kind of don't mind that. The problem is like, I want to put it over here, right? For balance purposes, but it's going to cover up the day, which, let's be honest, I don't really care because I know it's Saturday. I'm going to cover up the day, you guys. I'm being bold. I am being crazy. I know, a crazy planner. Covering up the days. It's just for me. I might post it if it's like cute, but it's really, honestly, it's just for me. So I'm okay with it. I don't want to bring in blue because there's blue there. I feel like peach, maybe even orange again. Let's bring in the orange again just because it's here and it's like easy. Now I used like all my orange. Oh well, it's okay. That is that. I almost want to put a little something down here, like a little plant thing. Do more of what makes your soul shine. I could do that one. It's a little busy though. I could have put her in there. She's pretty cool. She's like a different style though than this one and this one. She seems more realistic and they're more cartoonish, right? What if I put her here? Keep dreaming. Oh wait, it says keep dreaming there. Come on, Happy Planner. Why do you do that to me? I could put a couple flowers down there. I feel like I want to bring in that like plant, the green. Oh, you know what I have? Wait, I have that, I have that sticker pack that goes along with it. Let me see if I can find that. Let's see if there's anything in here. Sorry I disturbed you, Bumble. Think good things. I could just do like a little, ooh, I'm gonna use this. Make beautiful things, because my job is to make beautiful things. It's perfect for my work planner. I'll throw that down there. And then up here seems so bare compared to like the rest of the spread. That's always the problem I have with these dashboard spreads. Do you know what I mean? So I'm not quite sure what to put up there, but I want to put something up there. So let's see. I could do like flowers or something, but I kind of like this. There's no gold though. There's a little gold there. I just like this. The world needs your magic. Another good work quote for me to remind myself of that. Or I could use this one. They're kind of cool. I'm gonna use this one only because it's gonna bring in the colors. Like this one is so pretty, but it's like black and gold though, and this one's gonna pull in some color up here, so I think I want to do that instead. I'm gonna put it here, and I know it's gonna take up some room on Patreon, but I'll just write really small because I really do want it here. Sometimes I sacrifice a little bit of function for like beauty. Do you know what I mean? I don't know that I love it there, but I think it's good enough. So let's take a look at the whole spread. I think it's, oh, sorry, Bumble. Oh, I like grabbed her tail by accident. I think it's really, really pretty. It's missing like a little something there, and I don't, wait, maybe there's like a little quote. These are too big, I feel like. Carefully crafted, wonderfully made. I don't know. Let's do it. Or don't you dare give up. Let's do don't you dare give up. It's a good message for me when I'm like struggling with being so busy at work and everything. So let's do it. I'm just gonna put it here. There. It balances out that quote at the bottom. I think this is really, really cute. It's different than what it's like much more stickery than I usually do in my planner, in my work planner. Like I'll show you last week. Let's see. Like this is last week. It's like a lot less stickers, but this is beautiful. I think I will take a picture of it for Instagram. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and Bumble's gonna say bye-bye. She's gonna go nappy time for Bumble, nappies. And I'll see you guys in my next one. See you later, bye.